Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth, was explored by various countries in the 1800s and has since attracted world leaders and scientists committed to its peaceful use and environmental protection, particularly after 1959. Initially, 7 countries, Argentina, Australia, Chile, France, New Zealand, Norway, and the United Kingdom, laid territorial claims to parts of Antarctica. However, these claims are not universally recognized. During the International Geophysical Year, from 1957-1958, 12 countries, driven by a spirit of camaraderie, established permanent research stations in Antarctica for peaceful and scientific purposes. This collaboration led to the signing of the historic Antarctic Treaty in 1959, which came into force in 1961. This scientific collaboration helped ease geopolitical tensions and fostered a commitment to protecting Antarctica's future. Since then, 57 countries have acceded to the treaty, with 29 consultative parties having decision-making power and 28 non-consultative parties participating without voting rights. One of the major research efforts in Antarctica is the joint UK-US project studying the Pine Island and Thwaites glacier basins beneath the West Antarctic ice sheet. This research contributes to understanding the seaflow movement of this continent and global sea level rise. Recently, member states have successfully mapped Antarctica in detail through extensive scientific research. Antarctica continues to remind us how powerful and how fragile our planet truly is. Beneath its vast white surface lies an ice sheet covering 13.63 million square kilometers, with an average thickness of nearly 2 kilometers. Despite moving 10 times slower than seaflow at the equator, this frozen giant holds enough water to raise global sea levels by up to 58 meters if it were to melt entirely.
You have 12 questions. Hit 70% or above to win a bronze, silver, or gold award. How high can you go? Are you ready to test your knowledge, instincts, and speed? Let's begin. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer. What country's flag do you see in the picture? Answer.
If you enjoyed this video,
please click the buttons below and leave your comments.